Alright guys, I'm making my other bike check. This is my Redline 3 romp. Yeah, I gotta customize it a little more, but alright, I'm gonna start from up here. Double fisted grips, stock brakes, stock handlebars, stock stem, stock forks. I got pegs, stock forks, stock spokes, stock hub. I got Odyssey tires. I forgot what they're called. But I have those kind of rims. I'm not sure what they're called, because I bought this off my friend. He didn't know. I don't think. I got Shadow pedals, yellow pedals to match the bike. They're a little dirty though. I got I think it's a 32 tooth sprocket. I'm not sure about that. Just a regular in a bar. I don't have a seat post yet. I gotta get the seat post. Back pegs as the same as the front. On the right side. That's pretty much it. This bike's kind of light. But I ride my Verde more. So I'm just beginning. So I'm gonna make videos on my BMXing. So don't be too thing. I just start to learn some BMXing. So yeah, that was my Redline. You see my Verde in the other video. So yeah, those are my BMX bikes. Peace.